Hello everyone. How is it going? How are you? Nice to see you. Welcome, my friends. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, all around the world. How are you? How is it going? Let's take a quick look. The markets have officially opened. Of course, we had the news event. It has happened. It was 1 hour ago. Okay. Where price reacted, my beloved friends, we are looking at the 4 hour of NQ. There was a bearish fair value gap that price has been reacting multiple times. Now we are seeing a huge rejection of it. Taking a look also at the 15-minute, we will see that we also have here a 1 hour bearish fair value gap also overlapping the 4 hour. Hello, good morning, script. I'm echoing. Room 28, nice to see you, mate. Can you please confirm that I'm echoing? Please. Can you please confirm? So I can check it out, please. Maybe we have some technical issue. What are we seeing? No echo. Okay, thank you very much. Script, please, my friend, check your browser or app. Hello, Blanco. Nice to see you. Pat, welcome. Hi. How are you? I was saying that price is reacting from this 1 hour bearish value gap that overlaps a 4 hour one. What are we having over here? We are having a change of character. If this candle forms a bearish one in the 15-minute, of course. So what am I expecting? Of course, I'm expecting this can be our first target to complete what, my beloved friends, to complete our magical triangle. Yes, of course. The ideal scenario would see a little bit pullback and price continue lower to, of course, complete this overall big triangle, 1 hour triangle. Okay, let's take a look also from a DR perspective, what is going on. Let me enable our DR IDR. Where is it? Yes. Okay. A 100% to the tick bullish expansion model. But of course, price is reacting from the Asian DR. So we must be very careful and be patient to see what will truly happen. We must really be patient. Must really be patient. Hello, Pat. Hello, Asarai. Hello, Roy G. Ham Cheese. Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all. Mates, I hope that you had a first amazing week, trading week. So happy to be here one more time. Don't forget, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed and you like what we are doing over here, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable all notifications. And of course, whoever isn't member of TTF, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com, my beloved friends. Of course, I can't be anything else from bearish because of the order flow. We have a clear bearish order flow. The RIDR over here makes us a little bit be patient. I would like to take this Asian DR breakout, but I can't go against the order flow. I don't trust it so much. Haha, says my friend Ham Cheese, I'm actually bullish. We will see. Okay, we will see. For me, everything aligns that we're going to go down, my friend Hamtsiz. I understand why you believe this, but okay, let's see what will happen. The R also says that we must go up. Let's see. It's sometimes when I say that we must be careful because we have two trading ideas inside one, but we must be patient. We must be patient for sure. We are seeing a very good reaction from price now, but I believe that we must be patient and wait for the market to settle down. Tell me, my friends, how was your day? Nice to see you all. One more time. Tell me your opinion. What do you guys believe? What will NQ go up, go down? What is your opinion? And of course, so we can discuss it, of course. And of course, we can go through any other pair that you would like all together. Script says the inverted fair value gap also confirms it needs to go short. Yes, of course, you mean that it didn't respect this fair value gap. I agree with you. When in general fair value gaps break from the left side of the curve, it is intentions that the order flow is not not being held and that it is shifting. Exactly, I agree 2000%. Also, if we check the 1 hour, we will see that it's not respect it. We are seeing over here a bearish, an inverted fair value gap. That price broke it over here. We have fighting. You see, price is remaining inside these two PDRAs. Look over here. 1 hour bearish fair value gap. The inverted one. Let's see who will win. Who will win? This is the last high, although that caused the lower low. So, in my opinion, we must see a body break of this high in order to have also a structural shift. But as you are seeing, everything can happen. And from this huge wick, probably Hamtsiz is correct and is bullish. My friend Pat says day is good on a small drawdown, almost breaking even. No idea where this market is going. My first swing trade, EG, is doing really well. Congratulations, my friend Pat. Congratulations. I'm very happy for you. Hamsi says he's already in and partials taken. Well done. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. What are the other indices doing? What are the other indices doing? Okay. Let's check. Okay, now I see why. Okay. Now I know why you went long. I was sure that you saw something. And it is a really nice SMT and sequential SMT. I understand completely why you went long, my friend Hamtzis. Louis, I'm thinking NAS is about to bounce back. I'm looking for shorting entry. I believe that we must give time for sure. Give price time. We need to be patient and wait for it to settle down. I'm not trusting what I'm seeing now. So let's be a little bit patient. Okay. Let's go check a little bit gold. What is gold doing? It's doing its things, doing gold things. Okay. It's pulling back. Okay. Okay. I would also be careful on gold too. You saw here it had a small reaction, but now it's going up again. What is silver doing? Silver is going crazy. One more session. Okay, let's check Euro USD. Euro USD will probably, yesterday didn't break this fair value gap. It will probably break it today. So we will have a shift in the order flow in the daily. So this means that we will have lower targets. We will have lower targets, lower price targets. After the DRIDR, oh, okay, sorry, you erased your message, no worries. Louis says, I just hit my target on the pullback. Yet another lucky trade. Okay, really nice, really nice. It was indeed a really nice and quick Asian DR breakout. Although, as I have said multiple times, I'm so scared when price is near opening. I rarely trade when price is near the open. So I prefer to take trades, for example, 15 to 20 minutes after opening. Ah, no worries, script. No worries, my beloved friend. Take your time to write whatever you want. Looking at the 1 minute J zone, says my friend Luis. 1 minute J zone. Where is the J zones again? You see, price is playing ping pong at J zones. Ping pong. Really nice. J is drawing some random boxes and price is respecting these boxes. What's going on? And I thought that I was a magician. I'm nothing. Mr. J is everything here in DTF. After the DRIDR prints, do you wait for the 5-minute close or 1 minute close? Well, in order to have a confirmation, we always want a 5-minute break of the DR line. The DR line is the solid line over here, my friend. Okay, after that, if price confirms towards one direction, then my beloved friend, as I said also in the public video that I have on the mini series of my strategy here publicly on YouTube, then I go down to the 1 minute and of course, then after of course I have my 5-minute closer, confirmation, break of the solid line, then I go down to the 1 minute, wait for the pullback, and then of course after the pullback happens and price returns to the DR box, then we take the first fractal frenzy towards the direction of the confirmation. Really nice Asian DR breakout price gave over here. Really nice Asian DR breakout. Look what the 1 hour is doing. Crazy stuff also. Let's wait, my friends, let's wait. Patience is key to everything, my friends. Patience is key. Let me lower a little bit my camera. Okay. You're welcome, my friend Script. NQ should start speeding up, otherwise higher low is expected or a reversal in my opinion. High resistance liquidity is HRLR. Am I correct? Ham cheese. Scripts asks, in TTF, where is your mini series on the Fractal Frenzy? The mini series is publicly in TTF's channel on YouTube, where you are now. If you go to videos, you will see my playlist where I have a series of 5 videos of 5 minutes. if you want my summarized, much more detailed than the mini series, you will find them in the Discord, in the pin messages of Fractal Frenzy chatroom. And if you want my whole playlist that I go through all the concepts in very in so many details, you go to my playlist that of course it is unlisted and it is for exclusively for TTF members. You can go and also check out that my friend, because I'm not sitting in this chair because I'm a crazy guy from Greece. I have proved to everyone who I am. You can go because I know that you have access to TTF. Please go at the Strategy Wars section in Discord and you will see in all seasons I have finished in the third and the first 3 places. We have done 7 seasons with Profit League, and in all seasons I have ended in the first 3 places. So what I'm talking is not, of course, random, and you can go and check out all my trades. I have done recaps, then you will see that I'm using the exact same strategy the last 7 wars. Profit League, Strategy Wars. It is an amazing event that we do. It tests our limits. And of course, we have huge prizes for everyone. Really amazing opportunity for everyone to test what they are learning, test their strategies, test themselves. The most important is to test yourself. Pat, you did very well. I was 4th next time. No worries. Of course, Pat. Of course. Don't forget, my experience is very big in the markets. Step by step, I have growth. I have grew with all of you, trying to be better day after day. And thanks to you guys and reminding me all the time how I also must be disciplined, how I must follow my rules, because I tell it to you, it reminds it also to myself. That's why I'm able to achieve these things. And of course, whoever wants to truly find out that what I'm saying, of course, is not a lie, and I'm not just a crazy guy that's sitting in this chair talking bullshit to everyone. trdfloor.com, link in the description. Come join and see my results and see what I'm capable to do with multiple live recorded trades, multiple screenshots and trades that I have copied through 6-7 accounts, and all this mambo jumbo. I'm really good at this game, but trust me, my purpose is not to show to all of you what I'm capable to do. My purpose sitting in this chair is to make you all do this. I know what I can do. Roy G says, I'm looking for short opportunities in gold to take out the buy side liquidity. Short opportunities. Yes, why not? For me, gold over here in the 4 hour has changed for sure character. This huge sell-off, price has pulled back. Yes, for sure, price is in premium. But the 15-minute, my friend Roy G, doesn't indicate this. I won't lie to you. I would for sure like to see price to break this low, and after this pullback to search for a continuation and take, for example, this low. This is my view, of course. Based on the RIDR, we also have a bullish expansion model. Just be careful, my friend, but if your plan says to do this, of course, shoot. Take the shot. Take the shot, of course. Hamzi says, be aware, 10 a.m. high news. They're not high, if I remember well. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't remember their high impact. Oh, they are. Okay, yeah, they are. Consumer sentiment. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Hamzi, for reminding us. Thank you for reminding us, my friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Roigi. You're welcome, my friend. I would just be careful, not if your plan says, of course, to take it, of course you shoot it. It's just my opinion, okay? I don't want you to forget. It's just my opinion. If your trading plan says to shoot, you shoot, you execute. That's what I say to everyone. Yes. Because I always believe in the work that everyone puts. And I trust and I believe you guys when you tell me that you have put the work. I believe you, of course, I believe you. Let me 1 minute. I would like to log into my account in my MT5 and I would like to show to everyone, easy peasy, how everyone is able to profit with our magical system that if of course you want to be part of, you must join TTF. Link in the description, trdfloor.com. Look, my friends, with one trade idea from the Earn As You Learn program, what everyone is able to do. Are you seeing? Are you all seeing? On the down left corner, down right corner, look, I have taken the trade idea. I took 3 positions upon it and look what's going on. Just based on the trade idea. A small pick. GPE says tariff decision. Tariff. What? Tariff. Oh no. Tariffs. I hate tariffs. The last time Mr. President talked about tariffs, we had huge problems. Script says the Earn As You Learn, is it just Forex or is it indices as well? No, it is all around Forex. We have 3 systems for all appetites. System 1, System 2, and System 3, that is the scalp system. It gives us the trade ideas, we put the analysis, and of course, we just execute if everything aligns on what we are seeing. If you are member script, because I know that you are a member, you can go to the website. You must watch the series of the educational videos of Earn As You Learn to have an idea, because over there Jay explains in depth about each system, so you can truly understand what is going on the Earn As You Learn. And of course, you will get your certificate and then you will have access to all the trading ideas. Pat says, I took the EG trade idea and analysis from Bear. No regrets, my first swing trade ever, and whoa. I'm so happy for you, Pat. So happy. Really, the Earn As You Learn has been nailing it with with amazing trading ideas. It really has given very nice trade ideas. The profits that I have seen from members are huge. I'm so proud of you guys one by one. So proud of you. Really, really. Script, my friend, it is an amazing opportunity, not only for you, but for anyone that is in his learning curve, because it is a huge opportunity with a few moments, minutes of analysis. You can take these trade ideas and, of course, make profits. Pay your subscriptions, for example, your TradingView subscription, your copy trading service, anything. You can pay anything. It will help you so much. Script with indicator you use for entries like happy or tornado. Which case do you use? I am not using happy trail. I have used it multiple times, of course. I always use fractal frenzy. That's why, if you are a member of TTF, you have seen that inside fractal frenzy we have incorporated also the DRIDR sessions. So you can have one indicator with everything all together. But when I have used, of course, copy trail, I have made multiple tests. My favorite case for lower time frame trading is case 3. Case 3. Case 3 for me is the best. Case 3. Okay, price is going up and down, up and down, up and down. Aaron says tariff Supreme Court decision today should create some movement in markets. As a Canadian, I'm hoping they rule that they are unlawful. Okay. Sorry for that. My cough hasn't gone anywhere, my friends. It's still with me. I'm taking so much medication and it's not going anywhere. Well, my friend Aaron, I am a trader that I won't lie to you. I call myself a technical analyst. I have seen multiple news releases, and in my eyes, everything happens for something, and everything can be explained. All the fundamentals can be explained with technical analysis. I like playing all the time the game of, if this happen, I will do this. If not, then I will do that. If all the time I'm using the if. I'm like, if you remember all the old computer guys over here, we had a program language that was named Pascal. You all know Pascal. If this happens, you will do that. If that, you will do that. If not, if yes. Louis says, EG trade idea means what? Well, EG is Euro GPP, my beloved friend Louis. EG. EG trade idea is Euro GPP. Yes. Pat answer. Exactly. And yes, underneath. Okay. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Oh, I forgot to connect my account. Give me a sec to connect my account. I forgot to connect my accounts. What stupid I can be. Sorry. Now we are ready. Okay, 1 hour candle has formed. Price is holding resistance, the previous closure, so we must be careful. I won't lie to you, I'm still bearish. This concerns me that price didn't break this inverted fair value gap, but let's see what will happen. Let's see. Let's see what how the markets will react. Let's see how the markets will react. Today we are going to play a lot of patience. This is true. I believe that next week markets will be much more clean. This is my prediction. Because we can't forget that overall price is in a huge and big consolidation. So it makes our life much more difficult. This is the reality. Sorry for that, my friend. Sorry. Aaron says, which indicator are you using to mark out those fair value gap levels? Or just you are doing it manually? Thanks. I'm doing everything manually, my beloved friend. There are some indicators out there that do the job for us, but I prefer to do them manually, my friend. And I keep them up. I keep them on my charts because I always wanted to remind me in which phase and what I'm expecting to see. That's why I mark them all manually. Yes, I mark them all manually. I remember an indicator that marks also higher time frame fair value gaps on our chart, but I can't remember the name. Script says, thank you for your time, Alex. I need to run to get some errands done. Have a great weekend. Have also an amazing weekend, my beloved friend. Thank you for stepping here. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Go do your job. Thank you so much for joining, my friend. Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Yes, we don't have so much good price action. This is the reality. What is gold doing? Gold, you see, it's doing gold things. They didn't react from anywhere. Just continuing going up. Doing gold things. Supreme Court will not rule on tariff today. Just came out. Okay. Do we have any tips when they will make their decision? Roy G says SMC structure and fair value gap. Yeah, that's one that also marks structure that I like very much. But there is one Roy G specific for fair value gaps that marks also, you put it and it will mark, for example, the 4 hour and the 15-minute, for example. It does this for you. Specifically for fair value gaps. Maybe you are right about SMC structure. I have a lot of time to use this indicator, to be honest. No, you can't put higher time frame. Let me check it. Multi-time frame Fair value gap. No. Fair value gap. ICT higher. I believe it's this one. ICT higher time frames by Fadi. I believe this is the one. Yes. Yes. It marks all the fair value gaps. You see, we can put 1 day, 15 minute. Okay, but it has a certain number that it can print. It has a certain number. I believe that you can, of course, increase the number of what is showing. But Aaron, I believe that doing it manually, it's much more better, my friend. Because you can, it won't plot a lot your chart. It will be much more cleaner if you do your own drawings. Let's go and check what our trade that we are in from the Earn As You Learn program doing. Look, it's going down. Very nice. I won't lie to you, in a little bit I'm going to take profits. Maybe at this low I'm going to take profits. Look the power of a trade idea. My friends, whoever truly enjoys what we are doing over here, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Look what a trade idea from the Earn As You Learn program to what you are able to do with a simple trading idea. This is the Earn As You Learn program. Link in the description, trdfloor.com. Don't forget, hit the like button. If you are enjoying what we are doing over here, let's go back. My friends, to NQ. TTF Productions. What an amazing job, my friends. You guys that you are members of TTF. What an amazing job did our friend Bear, my friends. What an amazing job he did in the extravaganza. What an amazing job. What an amazing production he did. What an amazing production. My friends, price is probably going to break the easy NDR. We are all ready. 1 minute left. Thanks, Pat. I wish I also will. Okay. Let's see if price going to break the easy NDR. It is confirming, of course, my original belief that price is probably going to expand lower. Why? Because the order flow told this. Not that I have seen multiple times. I have seen the order flow showing us clear bearish price action, and it has reversed completely upon us. We have seen this so many times happening. So I would not be surprised if this happened. But at least okay, but at least it has confirmed what we are saying. Price didn't break the Asian DR. It broke London DR, although. So we are ready for sure. This displacement, of course, this huge bearish engulfing candle shows us momentum. Of course, I would not be surprised if we see price pull back a little bit and then continue its journey lower. But let's be patient. We can't do anything. I don't like participating when the markets are going crazy. And I mean this. I hate when this happens. I hate. And this for me and in my eyes is very, very aggressive price action. And also, I'm afraid that Mr. President will probably sneeze and something will happen to the markets. Is my stream okay, my beloved friends? Is everything okay? Yes, I believe that we are up. Okay, I believe that we are up. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What will happen? Patience. Always we must be patient. Can anyone take any positions? Yeah, Roy G, they are crazy, my friend. I agree with you. These days, we can't for sure trust anything. That's why we must be very, very careful. And of course, my opinion, when this happens, we must always take small and quick positions. And I'm talking about indices, of course, and these markets, indices, gold, and these kind of markets. Because of look what's going on. Look what candle this is. This is, my friends, an almost 90-point candle. So for sure, you don't want to be in this situation when this happens. And where is price reacting from? The ASNDR again. The ASNDR again. And really, I won't be surprised if price goes for this high up here or even more higher. I won't be surprised. Look. This is 100-point candle. Yes. 100-point candle. What is DXY doing? Okay. Okay. DXY is doing its thing. DXY is being DXY. Strong bullish DXY. This, of course, was from a previous analysis. Price, look where it reacted from this daily breaker block. Of course, after this change of character, this is our target. Our target is up here. These, of course, levels are probably invalid. It must break with body, so they can be invalid. They are previous demands that now are breakers. Of course, if we have a body closure, these are invalid. But my friends, this is our target. Our target on DXY is now this. What does this mean in practical? It means that, my friends, if DXY is bullish and all the other, the dollar, of course, is strong, all the pairs against the dollar will be weak. And, of course, bearish. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Very, very curious. These days I go break even at 1 hour instead of my usual 1.5 RR break even. Okay, Louis says, sorry, I didn't read this. Both successful but hesitant to get back in the market with such big swings. Yes, be careful, my beloved friend. Louis, for sure. These days I go break even 1 hour instead of my usual 1.5. Really nice decision, Roy G. Really, really weird situations. What happens when you have SMT on both the bullish and bearish side? Which way you will go in this case? Well, usually when we have both side of SMT, this means indecision. Okay, so I wouldn't pick any way to go. If I would like to go with some side, I would align the SMT with the order flow. And if, for example, we had the bullish order flow, I would follow the bullish SMT. But when we have SMT in the one side and SMT in the other, it means indecision. Okay. It means indecision. It's the same way that we were trading divergences, my friend Roy G. When the RSI had from the one side a divergence and then the other, we said that it was indecision. That's what we do. It's playing with us, as you are all seeing. It's not doing absolutely anything. Price in the 1 hour has been locked between these two fair value gaps, one an inverted one from the left side of the curve, and the other one is a bearish, so we can have a bearish continuation. Of course, I'm afraid to make any decision. I don't like these markets. I don't trust these markets. Look what it did over here. We had a 120 point drop, 140, and it rebalanced at least 110 points back, and now it's doing the exact opposite move. That's why be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. What is your opinion? What will happen, my beloved friends? What do you guys believe? What will happen? Don't forget, my friends, if you are enjoying what we are doing over here, what we are talking about, hit the like button, enable all notifications, subscribe to the channel, enable all notifications, and of course, whoever wants to be part of TTF and wants to participate and be one of us and take a small look what you will be able to do. Look, please, look on the right side of your screen, down. This is from the Earn as You Learn program that we have here in TTF, my beloved friends. Earn as You Learn, my friends. Look what you will be able to do with the Earn as You Learn. Look what you will be able to do. Don't hesitate. Link in the description. trdfloor.com, my beloved friends. trdfloor.com. Let's go back. Room 28 says, I like the sell for sure. I like it also, my beloved friend, but I can't trust it. That's my problem. If we had the break of this inverted fair value gap, and I would be for sure, I would be more confident. Aaron says, how do you analyze order flow? Sorry, I'm fairly new. No, why are you asking? Sorry, my beloved friend. Well, you are a member of TTF. If you are a member of TTF, you will go at Discord and you will go at live recordings. You will find my name and my name will direct you. Okay, it will direct you to my personal playlist. You will over there at my personal playlist, I have three strategies. In my last two strategies, I have a full live stream upon order flow. Please go and check them. One is my mechanical ICT 2025 strategy. I have done a mechanical way how you can trade ICT concepts using certain concepts, and I explain over there order flow. Also, in my PA 2025 strategy, you will find 5 or 6 videos. Also, over there, I explain about order flow. Also, over there too. Also, over there too. Sorry about that. My cough is not going anywhere. Found it. Thanks. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. I'm happy that you understood it, room 28. So happy for that. I'm very confused. I won't lie to you. I'm very, very confused. Because this fair value gap really ruins everything in my mind. If we have a confirmed break of this 1 hour bearish fair value gap over here, I will for sure change my order flow from bearish to bullish. Look what it's doing now. Hi Alex, I hit TP gold of 2R from gold. Well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. Really nice trade over there. Yes, gold is flying again. Well done, Roy G. Well done. Congratulations, my friend. You see, suddenly the indices are flying. I believe I can fly. Another Asian DR breakout over here. Whoever you are following my strategy, 2 Asian DR breakouts. Look where price reacted magically. Nice to walk off with a 2R win to the end of the week. Yes, and it is an amazing achievement. Well done, my friend. I'm so happy for you, mate. I'm so happy. And whoever doesn't know Roy G, my beloved friends, Roy G is one of our members that is making it happen. He is making trading happen. He's making multiple payouts from his Pro Firm account, all creating of course his own trading strategy from all the teachings here from TTF. He found what suits him, he created his plan, and now he is truly nailing the markets, and we are all so proud of him. Well done, Roy G. Well done, my friend. You are one of the best success stories, my friend. Well done. Well done, well done. Well, it's playing with us again. You see what it's doing with us. I would not like to participate in this thing because it's not doing anything, and we have 35 minutes for this 1 hour candle to form. Of course, we have 6 minutes for the DR to form. Let's see if we're going to have the bullish expansion model being confirmed and price continue higher. Let's see what will happen. I won't be surprised. I am expecting everything to happen from these markets, and I mean this. I am expecting everything to happen from these markets. Okay. What is your opinion on these market situations, my friend? What is your opinion? I would really like to also hear your opinion upon this. I would really like to hear your opinion because I'm finding these markets really crazy. We are seeing high volatility, crazy markets. This is the reality. And I know that most of the ICT traders now will say, yes, but I'm able to see what will happen. No one is able to see what will happen. This is crazy stuff going around. I understand that many times you see that I have the same approach every day for the markets, but this I'm not able to predict nothing. I believe that most of you guys have the same thing with me. The only thing that I'm seeing is that one more time the AZNDR hasn't betrayed us, and you see by yourselves where price reacted. If someone had the from still would have taken this amazing trade after news, price is going sky high. Very curious to see what will happen. So we can have an official shift in the order flow. And if this happens, our target will be again this high, and we will be patient we will expect higher prices. For now, we are just monitoring and tape reading what is going on. Room 28 says, I don't think anymore. Yes, I'm also not thinking anymore. Louis, Rocky Road for sure. Yes. I believe that with small scalps, everyone can survive. This is the reality. Taking a small 20, 30 points, everyone can survive, but we must for sure be careful because these things are really crazy. DR, of course, is flying. We have 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes before the DRIDR completes for the New York session. We will probably have a quick bullish confirmation, confirming also the bullish expansion model, as we said. Price respected to the tick, the 50% of the AZNDR. Price is above the AZNDR, going against the order flow. Look what a candle was this 1 hour candle. Look what crazy candle is this. LOL. Okay. And of course, if you go in the beginning of the video when I was discussing with our friend Hamtsiz in the chat, his name is LSM. I have also in my ICT 2025 strategy, whoever of course is member of TTF can go and watch it. I have talked about the 90-minute, the quarterly theory, the 90-minute cycles, and why I saw that our friend Hamtsiz was bullish because there was a really nice sequential SMT between the 90-minute cycles. Please go, and if you're not, go and watch what I just said. And of course, if you're not members, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Go be members and you can look why I said that this will happen. I won't lie to you, I was bearish on the markets. I understood why ham cheese was expecting bullish because I saw the sequential SMT. Give me a sec, please. I must talk to the phone. In 1 minute, I will be back. Sorry, my friends, I'm back. Sorry. Sorry, Mori. Okay, we are probably going to have the arc has completed. We will probably have a bullish confirmation if this 5-minute candle closes above the solid line. That is, of course, the DR line. We have 28 minutes until, of course, the 1-hour candle, so we can change the order flow. Let's go and analyze for our friend Pat Euro GBP. Let me erase all of these. Let's see what the daily is doing. Well, there's no doubt, my beloved friend, that of course supply is in control, and I for sure overall expecting lower prices. Over here was our change of character, the latest higher low that caused the higher high, of course, was broken. Over here we have a break of structure, so this means that we are officially bearish. Give me a sec. Push down. Yes, this is of course over here our change of character. Perfect. So from a structural perspective, I for sure expect lower prices. Overall, we have one triangle, one small triangle that will form over here. We have one more bigger over here. And of course, let's go down to the 4-hour. Yes. Price created here a new low. It hasn't come on, please. Price hasn't pulled back to the equilibrium, but it is showing that we are having, when price is not returning to the equilibrium, then it means that we have aggressive price action from price. So I can not expect something else, of course, from price to take this low and create a new break of structure. Ideally, I would like to see price a little bit in premium and then continue, but maybe we will see more consolidation, a little bit more higher, and then continue lower. This is although what I expect, simply from just a price action perspective. Let's go back to MNQ. Yes. 15 seconds. I am another 4 more challenges currently, and I will pass it all together and show you the certificate by March, hopefully. So happy for you, Roy G. I hope that you make them unlimited. My friend, I will for sure wait to see your success. I'm so proud and happy for you. And I mean this, my beloved friend. We are all so proud of you, mate. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome, Pat. You're welcome. We love you too, Roy J. You are a very important member for all of us. This is what a true community means. Supporting everyone is supporting everyone. for one cause. Our cause is to make as much profits we are able to. And we are very proud when we see our traders also achieving this. We are all so proud of you guys. We are all so proud of you. Now, we have our confirmation. Let's see if we are going to have a basic trading plan. Price, of course, has pulled back. Ideally, I would like to see price pull back down here and take a really nice continuation. Although for now I am against the order flow, I don't like that I'm against the 1 hour order flow, but we have broken it from the upper side. We will probably shift order flow, so if this bearish fair value gap breaks, we'll have also order flow on our side. So let's be 100% patient and see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. I like the idea that price is trying to pull back. I love the idea basically. Let's see if it's going to make our day. Oh, sorry, my friends. Sorry about that. I won't lie to you, I'm quite tired. We have so much cold now on Greece. We are not so used to so much cold. I won't lie to you guys. The temperature is around 2 to 3 degrees. Yesterday night we had so much wind, no one was able to sleep. We had 6-7 wind units. I don't know how they call them here in Greece. We call the degrees of Beaufort. I don't know how they call the wind measurement in the US, for example. I was just in France, -4. Oh yeah, what a bummer. -4. That's huge. -4. Chilling. I like that we have our pullback. We have 3 checks. The only thing that remains is what? Is the final stage. And the final stage is, of course, we want to see a fractal frenzy print towards the direction of the confirmation. Now with my family in the Caribbean, much better. Oh yes, my friend Pat. For sure it's much more better, my beloved friend. Now in the Caribbean, and I believe it's the best season to be at the Caribbean near Christmas, because all the tropical areas have the exact opposite climate from when here we have heavy winter. In the tropical areas we have the best summer. To me, NQ, says Roy G, is already an overextended market by moving more than 200 points, and we must be cautious here. I agree 2000%. That's why, my friend Roy G, a part of our plan is always to wait for the pullback. Why? Because I'm aware of this expansion, and in order to have a confirmation, we will have a kind of expansion. So if price will pull back, for example, near the equilibrium or near this fair value gap, I would love to see a very nice continuation because this will mean that we will have a really nice. It will gather power. Room 28 says if anybody, of course, is in Miami, let's link up and trade. Whoever my friends is from Miami, don't forget to link up with our friend Room 28 and you can exchange very nice trading ideas together. Okay. Accountability partner. Really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, price is pulling up. Miami, yes, my friend. I also love Miami. Whoever doesn't know, I was born in the States. I am from California, Eureka, California. Eureka, California. That's where I was born. Big story how I ended up in Greece. My mother is Greek. So they decided to come to Greece with my father. And now being a US person brings me only problems because I haven't been to the States since 1994. And if you live in any other country except the US, the only thing being a US person and can be a problem. Why? Because bank system works all the time against you. All the bank systems around the world, instead of being in America, works very bad for US persons. Nice, San Diego is beautiful. I've been once. Okay. Amazing. I have, although, a lot of memories from US. I remember my town. I remember the trips that we did. I remember New York. I have been twice to New York, also as an adult, seeing the American dream. The American dream. Well, my friends, I believe that I'm going to wrap it up. Sorry that we were not able to take any trades. I was thinking very seriously to take this AZNDR breakout, but I was afraid the order flow wasn't in our side. This would be a very nice trade that I would like to take. I said to everyone what I'm expecting to see. Although I won't lie to you, I don't like that price is returning back. But we have our bullish confirmation, price is pulling back. Our basic trading plan says to us in the next fractal frenzy print, we must take a trade towards the direction of the confirmation. So I will probably go against the order flow and try to take a trade. If, of course, I take any trade, I'm going to post it privately, of course, in our Discord. I wish you all to have an amazing weekend, and I mean this. Don't forget, my friends, to enjoy every moment during the weekend with all the ones that you love. Truly, something that I would like to share with all of you is that creating memories and special moments is why we are sitting in these desks and looking at the charts. Don't forget why you are doing this. Give purpose to your trading, but give true purposes to your trading. Not only wanting to buy Lamborghinis and Ferraris. You are trading for freedom. You are trading so you can be able to take your family and go wherever you want around the world. That's why you are trading, not for the Lamborghinis and the expensive clothes. Because if you eat a lot and your stomach becomes big, the clothes will be in the trash can. But memories, even if you put 10 kilos and you will buy new clothes, will never go away. You will always have your memories in with you. Have a nice weekend, my beloved friends. Thanks for joining. See you next week. Next week, we will also have a private live stream. We will probably do an exclusive Earn as You Learn trade live stream. Thank you so much for joining. See you next week, probably Tuesday, publicly on YouTube. Thank you everyone for joining. See you all next week. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining, my friends. Thank you. Thank you. It means a lot. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.